Formation of unsaturated and saturated solutions. A solution which can dissolve more amount of a solute at a particular temperature is called an unsaturated solution. Take about 100 grams of water in a beaker, add to it 5 grams of table sugar and stir it. The sugar will dissolve in water, then add another 5 grams of sugar and stir. This will also dissolve. This is called an unsaturated solution. Formation of saturated solution. A saturated solution is one in which the maximum amount of solute has dissolved in a given amount of solvent at a specific temperature. Continue adding sugar. Eventually, no more sugar will dissolve and the excess settles at the bottom. This is called a saturated solution. Solubility of different solutes. Different solutes have different solubilities in a particular solvent. For example, 36 grams of sodium chloride dissolves in 100 grams of water at 20 degrees Celsius. 203.9 grams of table sugar dissolves in 100 grams of water at 20 degrees Celsius. Sugar is more soluble than salt because sugar molecules are larger and allow more water molecules to surround and dissolve them. Importance of mixtures in daily life. Mixtures are closely related to our everyday lives. The air we breathe, the food we eat, the fluids in our body, solids like steel. Effect of temperature on the solubility of solutes. Solubility. The solubility of a solute is the amount of solute which can dissolve in 100 grams of a solvent at a particular temperature. Solubility and temperature. Temperature has different effects on different compounds. Generally, solubility increases with temperature. Examples of increased solubility: potassium nitrate, silver nitrate, potassium chloride, sodium chloride. Solubility doesn't change much. Solubility decreases with temperature: lithium carbonate, calcium chromate. Gases, solubility decreases with temperature. Solubility curves. Solubility curves show the relationship between solubility and temperature. KNO3 shows a sharp increase in solubility with temperature. Saturated, maximum solute dissolved. Unsaturated can dissolve more solute. Supersaturated contains more solute than normally possible at that temperature. This graph shows how the solubility of 3 different compounds changes with temperature. As temperature increases, different solutes behave differently. Potassium nitrate becomes much more soluble, showing a sharp rise in solubility. In contrast, sodium chloride stays nearly constant, with little change across temperatures. Lithium carbonate, however, becomes less soluble as the temperature goes up.